Welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Enhancements TV. We're preparing for the North American Motorcycle Supershow this weekend, January 3rd, 4th, and 5th. We'll be showcasing 3 of our latest clients' bikes and something a little different. So stay tuned and join us for a behind-the-scenes look as we set up our booth in Hall 5. Welcome to the 2020 Toronto International Motorcycle Super Show, and welcome to the booth. We just finished setting it up. I've been working on it all day. All it's missing is back curtains, but we'll be getting those very shortly. Let me show you around the booth and give you a little heads up of what's going on with these bikes. This is a 2004 Rolling Thunder motorcycle that came to us with a few repairs that needed to be done. We've changed out some electrical wiring and added some chrome doohickeys to it, and it's looking good. So customers ready to pick it up next week, but we're putting it on display at the show this year. Next is this beautiful 2003 Yamaha Roadstar, which we've done up over the years. Saddlebags, the seat, exhaust, beach bars, and the customer absolutely loves this bike. So he's enjoying it every summer. Let's move over to the next bike. Got a 2014 Street Glide, which we've done the whole front end on. It's been stretched and raked, and we added a 26-inch front wheel. And next up, when it comes back from the show, we're gonna have the air ride suspension and electric kickstand, and it'll be a super nice bike when it's done.